So, I think in embracing the framework of an explorer's mindset, you have to question your assumptions at all times. Both explorers and entrepreneurs have to operate with a lot of unknowns. New discoveries and innovations can bring paradigm shift. So, new weather, meaning new markets, the pandemic that has just happened, there will always be shifts that is given. So be open to change. And the trap we can fall into is that our original vision is pure and is the only way forward. I think it's important that for lasting changes, it has to start from within. So creating a culture in an organization where you invite people to share data all the time, and especially if it contradicts current beliefs or focus, this has to be something that you do structurally. And without that, navigating through rough waters, or even what may appear to be still waters, will be difficult, because it only takes one storm to turn the still waters into truly choppy waves. So continuing to invite a culture of contradiction is important. uh, and we had talked about how not to be locked into one vision and one opinion. Once you have the data that shows you that something, a product or a market or a price point, is not working as expected, then course correct quickly, as soon as possible. It is in our nature, in fact, to delay or postpone the uncomfortable things. And this is the very urge we have to learn how to resist and how to manage. So don't drift with the flow, actively control the flow instead. So while vision is very important, it's very easy to get lost in a great vision, uh, but it's also important for entrepreneurs to be in the trenches on a daily basis. If you think of the vision from a metaphor as the North Star in the sky, that's just kind of giving you a guidance, but the focus on task is to ensure that you're moving in the right direction. So while you keep in focus your North Star of what you want to achieve, it's important that you make daily decisions which have to do with strong execution. And it's also important that you understand the core purpose of why you are doing something. And when there are setbacks, it becomes this why are you working on this idea, why this project? And you will be able to better decide uh, how to keep yourself, your employees focused when you understand the importance, and you will be able to filter out what is simply noise. you know and lastly, nothing is achieved alone. And this is something, again, time and again, for founders, very important to realize. However brilliant the founder may be, however brilliant Elon Musk may be, there have to be two humans who had to get into that spacecraft, not knowing if they will live or die, and be willing to go off to execute this vision of exploring space, if you will. So there are different ways in which companies collaborate, but you have to set your leadership on how you create collaboration within the team, and figure out what is the style that works best for you and your organization. But to creating those rituals, creating those structures through which you bind teams together, and your way of working is very, very clear, is, I think, one of the most important things to have a team behind you that executes to the vision.